Today I'll demonstrate the Granitos stitch, which is seen here in these kind of fat little shapes similar to grains of rice. The Granitos stitch is just a series of straight stitches that are stacked right on top of each other. So here on the left, you can see a normal straight stitch, and then on the right next to it, the kind of fatter, puffier Granitos stitch. So to do it, we're just going to come up through the fabric like normal, go down a stitch length away, and if we stopped here, that would be a normal straight stitch. But instead, what we're going to do is come back up through our original hole and go back down where we went down previously. So we're going right on top of that first straight stitch, and you can see it's already starting to puff up a little bit. I'm going to do it a couple more times. We're always just coming up through the same first hole and going down through the same downward hole. And so because we're holding those two start and end points, the only place that it can puff up is in the middle. And that's where the name of this stitch comes from, because it looks kind of like a little grain of rice, the way it gets fatter in the middle. You can go over the stitch 3, 4, 5, or however many times you need to get the height that you want. And that's it for the Granitos stitch. Thanks for watching.